So enough from me. Let's bring our first pitcher to the stage. Please join me in welcoming Chris O's from Aspiring Materials.
Hello up front, hello in the middle, and to those in the very back, howdy from my native Texas. I'm Chris O's, I'm the co-founder of Aspiring Materials, and just out of curiosity, how many of you here today have heard of Aspiring Materials? If I raise my hands. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I do the Running Man right now, but I'm not allowed to. This is so cool. So this is my opportunity to explain to you what we've been working on and where we're at and what the future holds for Aspiring Materials. Quite simply, what we do is we've perfected a process that creates critical materials and minerals, the things the world needs to operate, and we can do this by solving 3 problems all at the same time. The first problem we solve is that we can do this locally. We don't have to rely on 2 countries supplying these critical materials that we need. The second problem that we solve is that we can also avoid a lot of the heavy metals that come in these products that you receive every day. That's huge. A lot of these products you get, they have a lot of heavy metals coming in them. And the last thing that we've done, and really important to us, it's a process that's low carbon. I like to say it's 0 carbon, but we don't produce carbon to make these types of materials. So what do we do at Aspiring Materials? We take ultramafic rock. Typically, it's a waste product that we receive. We run it through our patented process, and out the other side comes critical materials. These are just a few of those on there. And so what we can address is, as a market need, where key markets throughout the world just need these materials to operate. This is what they need. And every one of these materials operates in a fairly big space. Lots of money to be made out there. You want to see where we're at? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go on a field trip. All right, so let's go on a little video. For those of you who have used ChatGPT before, if you type in, what is the largest pilot plant facility in New Zealand? You're looking at it right now. This is in operation in Christchurch right now. This is me wandering through the facility, figuring out where am I, what am I doing? What we're able to do right now is process rock at scale. We've de-risked the process, and now we're ready for commercialization. We're big, we're ready to go, and we're ready to grow pretty quickly. So where might we do this? Well, I talked about localization. Our feedstock, you can find this throughout the world. It's everywhere, no matter where you go. This means that countries like New Zealand, all the way to a lot of countries in Europe, all the way into North America. You can do this process anywhere. So you don't have to rely on 2 countries supplying the things that you need every day. We can do it. And Aspiring Material already has arrangements from places in New Zealand, places in Europe, and over in Bellingham, Washington, and we're growing that actively right now. To give you an idea, here's a little thing as far as scale. There's a geologist for scale in the front, a big rock in the back, and that big pile in the back, that is our feedstock, powdered and ready to go. If you transform that into actual profits, that's $1 billion in profits from that waste feedstock right there. So what we're ready to do, we're ready to prove and optimize our process. We're ready to get ready for commercialization, and all we need is $8 million to do this. Call him, one of our chief financial officers. He's waving his hands over there. He's the numbers person. If you want to talk to us, feel free to talk to us. We'd love to sort of get this up and going. And this couldn't be possible without an amazing team over in Christchurch, and also from amazing investors. So this is the part where I'm supposed to walk away and introduce it, but have you ever seen a Marvel movie before? You always know to wait for the credits, right? All right, so there has been a stealth project that's been in operation at Aspiring Materials for over a year. This is something that Bill Gates himself pulled me to the side and said, I want you to figure this out. We figured it out. We're ready to roll this project out pretty soon. I have been a university professor for well over 20 years, and there's never a magic bullet with climate change or energy. That's what I teach. There's potentially a magic bullet. Stay tuned, more to come. Thank you very much.
Very cool. Thank you, Chris.